Welcome to Smalltalk Daily for Wednesday, September 1st, 2010. This morning we're going to take a look at debugging in WebVelocity 1.1 because this has changed a little bit since 1.0, and that's due to the way changes have happened in the underlying Seaside 3.0 implementation. To show you what I'm talking about, I've taken the notes application I've been working on the last few days, and we're going to insert a breakpoint here. And to do that, I'm going to come over here to the right, and you notice that I can enable a breakpoint, so I'll click that. Now coming back over here, you'll see that I've got a breakpoint listed there. Now what I'll do is I will browse notes.html, and you notice that instead of jumping straight into the debugger, it kind of looks like it's hanging. And this is kind of more like the way what you would see in a normal Seaside application outside of WebVelocity. Let's go over here. What we need to do is jump over here to the console, and you notice we've got a break listed. So I'll click on that, and that's how I get to the debugger. So from here, everything's going to work just like it did in WebVelocity 1.0, although this is a little easier to look at. And you can debug the same way. So you can see where we are, and we can go up here and we can do play, just run it, or we can run this context, or we can run to the caret, or we can do the step over, step into, or so on and so forth. So I can step through this one by one, and then when I finally figure out what my problem is, I can just go ahead and run it, and now I go back over here and it's completed. So this is now more or less dead. There's no debugger here, so I'd just as soon go back here to the top and get to my application by going in here. But that's how things have changed a little bit in WebVelocity 1.1 because of the underlying changes to Seaside. Instead of jumping straight into the debugger, and this has to do with the way changes have been made to the way call operates, you have to go through that little side step. So that's about it for today. Until next time, have fun with Smalltalk.